Alright, the Enjomor ran for a little bit here, 15 minutes or so. It is getting more humid out today. I'm going to guess that I'm just having real humidity issues, because as we've had before, the humidity shorts out these ignition systems, and it just, I've seen it, they just arc past the boot, and no matter how tightly I try to fit the boot, it just arcs out of them because of this humidity. The Enjomor was a bit stiff. It does have that original piston ring in it, and a lot of guys have had issues with those piston rings. I think that there's mine is definitely feeling stiff here, so I might have to look into getting the new piston ring put in there to replace the old, the original, so I guess that'll be the next step with the Enjomor here, is replacing that original piston ring with something more suitable. I don't know what the originals are made of, but like I said, everybody seems to have issues with them, and mine was working okay, but it's still really stiff. But it was really stiff today, so maybe it's exposure to fuel and they don't hold up to fuel the way they should, like the green ones do, because I know these are brown. So we'll see if any of the slow motion video I did worked out, and I'm gonna go inside because, like I said, it's a real humid out here. And I guess the next thing, like I said, with the Enjomor is going to be new piston rings, and the R18, I'll have to check the intake manifold on that, see if that's gotten loose again and is sucking air and screwing up the mix. But otherwise, it was a kind of fun little morning with these.